Hello and welcome. In this presentation, we'll introduce our Overband Magnetic Separator, a reliable solution designed for the automatic removal of Tramp ferrous metals from conveyor systems. We'll walk you through how it works, its key features, available configurations, and why industries around the world trust Jaykrishna Magnetics for magnetic separation solutions. Before we discuss the product, let us briefly introduce our company. Jaykrishna Magnetics has been serving industries since 1978, delivering magnetic separation and vibratory solutions across the globe. With over 4 decades of experience, thousands of satisfied customers, and exports to more than 40 countries, we have built a reputation for delivering reliable and high-performance industrial equipment. Now, let's understand the Overband Magnetic Separator itself. An overband magnetic separator is installed above a conveyor belt to automatically remove unwanted ferrous materials from the product stream. These tramp metals can damage expensive machinery, reduce product quality, and interrupt production. By continuously extracting these metal contaminants, the separator protects downstream equipment, improves product purity, and helps maintain smooth, uninterrupted operations. Next, let's look at the different configurations available. Depending on the application, the Overband Magnetic Separator is available in multiple configurations. Customers can choose between permanent magnetic and electromagnetic models based on the required magnetic strength and operating conditions. The separator can also be installed either in line with the conveyor or across the conveyor belt, providing flexibility for different production layouts. Now that we've seen the available options, let's understand how the separation process actually works. The working principle is simple yet highly effective. As the material passes beneath the magnetic separator, the magnetic field attracts ferrous particles from the moving material stream. These unwanted metal pieces are lifted away from the conveyor while the remaining product continues its normal flow. This automatic separation process protects machinery and improves the overall efficiency of the production line. Let's now see this process in action. This animation demonstrates the cross-belt arrangement. Here, the separator is mounted across the conveyor belt, allowing captured ferrous materials to be automatically discharged to one side. This configuration is commonly used where continuous self-cleaning and uninterrupted operation are required. In this configuration, the separator is installed in line with the conveyor, directly above the head pulley. As the material leaves the conveyor, the magnetic field attracts ferrous particles, separating them efficiently before the material reaches the next stage of the process. This arrangement is ideal for many industrial conveyor systems. The Overband Magnetic Separator can also be integrated with vibrofeeder systems. Even in vibrating applications, the magnetic field continuously captures tramp iron, ensuring clean material flow and protecting downstream equipment from metal contamination. Now let's take a closer look at the major components of the system. Every overband magnetic separator is built using several key components that work together for reliable performance. The magnet assembly generates the magnetic field required for separation. The belted discharge loop continuously removes captured metal. The geared drive arrangement powers the belt movement, while the support structure securely positions the separator above the conveyor. Together, these components ensure efficient and continuous ferrous metal removal with minimal maintenance. The Overband Magnetic Separator offers several operational advantages. It is available with ceramic or rare earth magnets, supports automatic self-cleaning operation, and can be installed in both inline and cross-belt configurations. Its permanent magnetic design reduces maintenance requirements while providing reliable long-term performance across a wide range of industrial applications. Now let's look at some of the organizations that trust Jaykrishna Magnetics. Over the years, Jaykrishna Magnetics has successfully supplied magnetic separation solutions to numerous industries across India and around the world. Our growing customer base reflects our commitment to quality, performance, and long-term customer relationships. Let's now explore the industries where the overband magnetic separator is commonly used. The overband magnetic separator is widely used across many industries, including foundries, mining, cement plants, sponge iron, recycling facilities, food processing, glass manufacturing, chemical processing, and waste management. Wherever Tramp ferrous metal needs to be removed from a continuous material flow, this solution provides reliable and efficient performance. Finally, here's how you can get in touch with us. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our overband magnetic separator. If you'd like to discuss your application, receive technical guidance, or request a customized solution, our team would be happy to assist you. Please feel free to contact Jaykrishna Magnetics using the details on your screen. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.